Hey guys, this is Poetspice, and I am here to do this week's edition of the 3D Active for Poet Collab, where we are creating 3D projects and or interactive projects, so things that flip, turn, spin, unfold, flip flap, and all that kind of stuff. So let's get started, and I'll show you what I used. So I used this Tonic Studios waterfall card die. I used, did I use anything on the back? No. So I used this die. Okay. I also could pull it for Crack the Vault because I haven't used that forever. Then I also took out this Sweet Treat, and this is from Tonic Studios as well. It is from one of their kits. I don't remember which number it was, but it's the 8x8 paper pad, and it's got little, so you can see my little leftovers here. So the 8x8 paper pad, and I used that. And then I also used this scrapbook.com charming collection. I might have to get another one of these because I like this paper, and because I only have one, I don't use it. I skip on using it because I'm like, I only have one. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what I made. We'll show you the first one, which is this one. So I took a piece of my 110 pound cardstock and just made a A2 card base. And then you can see where I put all the paper is from that Sweet Treats. So there's a waterfall on the front. I did some die cutting there. I'm just going to go to the inside first. And then so I fussy cut some of the little pieces out of the paper. Oh gosh, excuse me. And they're cute. I normally am not into the whole kawaii thing, but the way they did it was adorable. I'm like, oh. And then it says Happy Eat Cake Day. So clearly it's a birthday card. And so I put some of that paper back there and then one of the cutouts. And then I'll put my stamp or something back here. So then on the front is the interactive piece. So first off, it says Sprinkled with Love. And so I cut that out of the cut aparts, layered this up on the paper. And then you just hold it here and then you pull. And then so on the back, I just covered it with like the same paper. Because I do love a stripy ginghamy color. And then I fussy cut some of these pieces out of the paper and I just stuck them there. So then it says let's eat, and then this one said let's eat cake, and I just fussy cut another orange and put it over the cake. So when you read it, it says Sprinkled with Love, let's eat. So you can see that right there again. Let's eat birthday treats. And then it says, so I cut out two and put them there. And then it says, have a great day. And so this was one of the cut aparts. And it was actually a square, or a rectangle, I should say. And so I cut it down so it would fit on here. It says, have a great day. And then when you pull some more, there's the other little cupcake. And then I, like I said, I fussy cut the little pieces. And then it says, let's eat cake. Because I thought that was so cute. And so then you just push that back up in there. And you get your interactive card. Boop. Yeah. So I thought that was so cute and adorable. So fun. And you can still mail it. It probably costs a little bit extra from the twine. And it is a little bit thick. But still fun. So I did that one. And then I did the second one using that scrapbook.com paper. And I didn't theme this one as far as like birthday or whatever. I just wanted to put it together. And, you know, see how it came out. So, use the other half of this 8.5 by 11, 110 pound cardstock, and I need to put some kind of stopper here. Or not a stopper, but a pulley. And so, I used the scraps on the inside. I just love that paper. And then, like when you pull it, I went with alternating. So cute, look at that. So those are the two cards I created for my 3D Active collab. I think we have 1 or 2 more weeks left, so definitely join the hashtag. So if you have anything 3D, like a bag, a box, most of the stuff I have is like bags and boxes, or if you've got like, you know, if you did a crochet project, that's like an amigurumi, that would be 3D. So there you go. So play along, check it out. And then I am hosting next month the paper doll collab. So yeah, I love these. They're so cute. Now I have to make one to put in my journal. All right, thanks for watching. Go check out the other ladies, and I shall see you later. Be safe out there.